Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 20 of July Postcard Play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. And it's been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed myself, and so I have got my jelly print, I've got my images. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. This was a wipe off of my jelly card and stencil and all that. And I really love how it turned out. So let me get my corners rounded. It's not a whole lot going on. We're supposed to be having a little bit cooler weather. It does seem a little bit better, but it's still hot. But we'll take what we can get. Okay. Now I think I want to add some cheesecloth under there. I love this image. I think I got it on the Digital Collage Club, which I think is making and creating now. And I'll probably add that up here somewhere. And I've got this. Let's see how I want to turn it. Maybe drop this down a little bit. And have this one going up. And have these leaves right here. And that's some of my fodder I've been doing. And I like that way that looks. So let me get this down. Oh, I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I don't have anything planned. Most of my family works on the weekends as well as during the weeks. So it's just, you never get the same day off, it seems, Okay, I like that. So let me get her down. Went back to my fodder. I haven't used it in a while, and I really love it. You just never know what you're going to get with it. That's what I love about it. Because it doesn't matter what you're doing it over. Because I don't even know. That may be strawberries or something. I don't know. So. Go. Oh, need to tuck those underneath. So. Put that one up here and this one down here since it's smaller. There we go. And now this one, maybe just tuck it up under. It's a good thing I don't ever usually get them down all the way to the edge. Okay. Turn that so it'll there. And then just add my number, July 20th. It was really a ticket that had July 20th, 1966, but that doesn't look like 1966. So I just cut it down and backed it with some paper. Okay, now I just want to ink the edges. I love how the pattern shows. Let me see what I Need to cut off here. There we go. I need to go back now glue, make sure all my sides are glued down. Okay. And now the back. Since I'll use these as more likely journaling cards than postcards, these will come in handy. They make it could be pockets and tucks as well. So now let me get some gold splatters. Go with this deeper gold. Looks a little more antique to me. All right. Well, there we go. Number 20. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful day, take care, I love you, and until next time, oh, be sure and check out Carrie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag July Postcard Play, and that's GELY. So until next time, bye y'all.